This is problem number 9 from section 2.5. In this problem it says the inequality describes a range of monthly average temperatures, T in degrees Fahrenheit, at a certain location. Find an equivalent expression and monthly average temperatures. So I think to find the equivalent expression, right, so we're going to say equivalent expression. I think in order to find that, we just take this inequality, this absolute value inequality, and we solve it. Because it says less than or equal to, we're going to go ahead and say that negative 26 is less than or equal to, right? This is an and compound inequality. T minus 44 less than or equal to 26. We're going to add 44 to this side. When you add 44 to this side, you end up with, let's see, negative 26 plus 44 is 18. So we get 18 less than or equal to T less than or equal to, add 44 here, you get 70. So you have 18 less than or equal to T less than or equal to 70. So that's an equivalent expression. This is essentially telling you that this is the low temperature of the month, and this is the high temp of the month. So you got the low temp here and the high temp here. And that's an equivalent expression basically describing your temperatures for the month. But now it asks you for the monthly average temperatures. So you can say monthly average temperatures. Well, basically what we can describe here is the monthly average temperatures, because we know the high and the low, right? Our low is 18 and our high is 70. We can say that the monthly average temperatures are going to stay 26 degrees. So they're going to stay, we can say the average temperatures will stay within 26 degrees, right? 26 degrees, because if you notice here, the 26 degrees was our variation there, so 26 degrees of 44 degrees. Meaning, when you have a month go by for this certain area, when they go through and add up all the temperatures for that month, those averages are going to be within 26 degrees of 44 degrees. So 44 degrees is the exact middle between 18 and 70, right? Exact middle between 18 and 70. So you'd think that 44 degrees is like the average temperature for the month, right? That's the typical. That'd be like overall, maybe like over 100 years. But we know every year it can vary, right? So one year it might be 60 degrees for the average, right? We have that in Iowa sometimes, where you might have like March where it's really warm. And then other times it might be like, I don't know, 25 degrees average, all right? We have those months where it varies quite a bit. But what this is saying is, this inequality is saying, is the average temps will stay within 26 degrees of 44 degrees. And we know it's going to stay within 26 degrees because the lowest temperature recorded is 18 and the highest is 70. Hopefully that makes sense.